Join me as we delve into the mystery of berberine supplements and uncover the truth behind their weight loss claims. Our story begins in the heart of traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, where berberine has been a staple for centuries. But what exactly is berberine, and how does it promise to help you lose weight fast? Let's start at the beginning. Berberine is a bioactive compound extracted from several plants including goldenseal, barberry, and Oregon grape. Its bright yellow color and bitter taste have made it a distinctive presence in natural medicine cabinets. Historically, it's been used to treat everything from infections to digestive disorders. But in recent years, scientists have turned their attention to berberine's potential metabolic benefits. Researchers began to notice something peculiar. In numerous studies, berberine demonstrated a unique ability to regulate blood sugar and lipid metabolism, both crucial factors in weight management. One landmark study published in Metabolism journal found that berberine significantly reduced body weight and improved insulin sensitivity in obese patients. So, what's the science behind berberine's weight loss magic? It all boils down to its impact on a cellular level. Berberine activates an enzyme called AMP-activated protein kinase, or AMPK. Think of AMPK as your body's metabolic master switch. When activated, it boosts your metabolism, encouraging your body to burn fat for energy. AMPK activation by berberine mimics the effects of exercise and calorie restriction, both of which are well known for their weight loss benefits. It's like flipping a switch that tells your body to start using stored fat as fuel. But our investigation doesn't stop there. We need to understand how to use berberine effectively to harness these benefits. Let's talk about dosages, timing, and potential side effects. Most studies suggest an optimal dosage of 500 milligrams taken 3 times daily, before meals. This helps maximize its absorption and effectiveness. But be warned, berberine can cause some gastrointestinal discomfort initially. It's advisable to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it to minimize these effects. Now, onto the million-dollar question. Can berberine help you lose weight fast? The answer is layered. Berberine's effects are profound but gradual. While some users report noticeable weight loss within a few weeks, it's important to pair berberine with a healthy diet and regular exercise to see significant results. Consider it a powerful ally rather than a standalone solution. To shed more light on this, let's delve into some expert insights. Dr. Jane Roberts, a renowned metabolic researcher, explains how berberine functions at the molecular level. According to Dr. Roberts, AMPK activation by berberine mimics the effects of exercise and calorie restriction. It's essentially turning on a metabolic switch that enhances fat burning and energy production. Furthermore, a study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism highlights that berberine's ability to lower blood sugar levels can be particularly beneficial for those struggling with insulin resistance, a common barrier to weight loss. Digging deeper, another study published in Phytomedicine reveals that berberine's anti-inflammatory properties also play a role in weight management. Chronic inflammation is linked to obesity, and by reducing inflammation, berberine helps create a more conducive environment for weight loss. So, how does this translate to real-world use? Experts suggest that combining berberine with lifestyle changes can amplify its benefits. It's not just about taking a pill, but integrating it into a holistic approach to health. Let's now focus on the practical application. To maximize the benefits of berberine, it's crucial to incorporate it into a routine that includes balanced nutrition and physical activity. Start with a dosage of 500 milligrams, taken 3 times a day before meals. Gradually increase the dosage if well tolerated. Pair this with a diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Regular exercise, especially a mix of cardio and strength training, will complement berberine's metabolic boosting effects. Remember, consistency is key. Berberine is not a quick fix, but with sustained use and lifestyle adjustments, it can be a powerful tool in your weight loss arsenal. As we piece together the evidence, it's clear that berberine holds promise. However, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. especially if you have underlying health conditions. And now, we reach the climax of our story. The evidence we've uncovered paints a compelling picture. Berberine, with its ancient roots and modern scientific backing, emerges as a promising tool in the battle against weight gain. It's not a silver bullet, but when used correctly, it can significantly aid your weight loss journey. So, what's the final verdict? Consider Berberine a valuable piece of the puzzle. Combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle, it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. The case of Berberine is cracked. But remember, the journey to better health is ongoing. Are you taking Berberine, or are you planning to do so? We'd love to hear all about your experience in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss the Supplement Sleuths reports on all things nutrition. Your support means the world to us and helps keep us on the case. So, thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and until next time, keep exploring.